Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. B is what is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places among the above? What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? Can you say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Let us observe the number line first. Here you see the number line is, here it is 0. If we read the number line, here you see this is 0, right? This is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shimla is at 5 degrees centigrade. Therefore, we are writing here also, right? Number A, Shimla. Shimla the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees centigrade, 5 degree centigrade. The temperature of OT, the temperature of OT is, here you see, this is 10 degree, that is 11, 12, 13, 14. The temperature of OT is 14 degrees centigrade. The temperature of OT is 14 degrees centigrade. 1 for 14 degree centigrade. Now, Bengaluru. The temperature of Bengaluru is, the temperature of Bengaluru is equal to, this is 20, 21, 22, 22 degrees centigrade, 22 degrees centigrade. And the temperature of Srinagar is, the temperature of Srinagar, the temperature of Srinagar is equal to, now first of all we will find the smallest marking, right? What is the marking? Here you see 0 to 5, how many marks is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 division equal to 5 degree centigrade, therefore 1 division equal to 1 degree centigrade, therefore minus 1, minus 2, that is Srinagar as is at minus 2 degree centigrade, minus 2 degree centigrade, right? And Lahore Spiti is LA, LAHUL SPI TI. Lahore Spiti is at minus 5, this is minus 5, here you see, this is minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 degrees centigrade, right? Lahore Spiti is at minus 8 degrees centigrade, 8 degree centigrade, right? Now, question number B is, what is the temperature difference between hottest and coldest places among the above? Now, you see, the hottest places is Bengaluru, that is 22 degrees centigrade, right? And the coldest place, and the coldest places is Lahore Spiti, that is minus 8 degrees centigrade, right? The hottest temperature is of, the hottest temperature is Bengaluru, and the coldest place is Lahore Spiti. Therefore, we have to find the temperature difference, right? That is the temperature difference. The temperature of Bengaluru is 22 degrees centigrade, 22 degrees centigrade minus 22 degrees centigrade minus, and the temperature of Lahore Spiti is minus 8 degrees centigrade, minus 80 degrees centigrade, 80 degree centigrade, right? Then we are getting, that is 22 degrees centigrade, 22 degrees centigrade plus, minus into minus is plus, plus 8 degrees centigrade is equal to 30 degrees centigrade, 30 degrees centigrade. Therefore, the difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above is 30 degrees centigrade. What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti, this one, and Srinagar, right? What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? Let us find what is the temperature of Lahore Spiti is minus 8 degrees centigrade, minus 8 degrees centigrade minus, the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade, minus 2 degrees centigrade. Therefore, what you are getting, you see, this is minus 8 degrees centigrade, minus into minus is plus 2 degrees centigrade, and that comes to minus 6 degree centigrade, right? Now question number D is, can you say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Can you say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla? The temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade and the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees centigrade, right? If we taken together, right? Taken together one is plus, that means the temperature of Shimla is 5 degree, the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees centigrade plus the temperature of Shimla, the temperature of Shimla, the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees centigrade and the temperature of Srinagar, the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade plus minus 2 degrees centigrade minus 2 degree centigrade, right? Now what you are getting, you see, that is 5 degrees centigrade plus into minus is minus 2 degrees centigrade, that is 3 degrees centigrade. 3 degree centigrade, right? That means if we take together the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, we are getting 3 degree centigrade. What is the temperature of Shimla? The temperature of Shimla is 5 degree centigrade, right? The temperature of Shimla is 5 degree centigrade. Therefore, can we say temperature of Srinagar Shimla taken to the less than? Less, yes. The temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla. Why? Because if we taken together the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, we are getting 3 degrees centigrade. Here you see, we are getting 3 degrees centigrade, but the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees centigrade. Therefore, you can say yes, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than that of temperature at Shimla. The question answer of question number D. Yes, we can say we can say temperature of Srinagar, temperature temperature of Srinagar Srinagar and Simla taken together taken together it is less than the temperature less than the temperature than the temperature less than the temperature at Simla, right? Now next question is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? You see the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade, and is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? No, there is no, because the temperature of Srinagar and Simla is 3 degrees centigrade and the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade, right? Therefore, is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? No. Answer is no. Next question, answer is no. It is it is not less. Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? The temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade. Is it less than the temperature? No, no, it is not less. No, it is not less than than the temperature than the temperature than the temperature then the temperature at Srinagar. At Srinagar. Right. Let us repeat once again. There is observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Here you see, first of all, you read the number line. Here you see, there are 5 division. 5 division is 5 degrees centigrade. Therefore, 1 division is 1 degree centigrade. Right. First of all, you have to observe this one. Right. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Here you see, Simla is at 5 degrees centigrade. And this is Uti. Uti is at 14 degrees centigrade. And Bengaluru is at 22 degrees centigrade, and here Srinagar is at minus 2 degrees centigrade and Lahore Spiti is at minus 8 degrees centigrade. Right, now the question is, what is the temperature above, what is the temperature difference, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places among the above? What is the hottest place? Hottest place is Bengaluru, that is 22 degrees centigrade. Right, minus what is the coldest place above the above? The coldest place is Lahore Spiti, that is minus 88 degrees centigrade. Therefore, we subtract it, 22 degrees centigrade minus of minus 8 degrees centigrade. That comes to 22 degrees centigrade plus 8 degrees centigrade, that is 30 degrees centigrade. What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? The temperature of Lahore Spiti is minus 8 degrees centigrade and the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade. Therefore, minus 8 degrees centigrade plus 2 degrees centigrade is equal to minus 6 degrees centigrade. Right? Can you say the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla? If we take together the temperature of Srinagar and Simla, what you are getting, you see, the temperature of Simla is 5 degrees centigrade and temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade. Therefore, we add it, we get multiple up 5 degrees centigrade minus 2 degrees centigrade, that comes to 3 degrees centigrade. Right? And the temperature of Simla is 5 degrees centigrade. Can you say the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Yes, because it is 3 degrees centigrade. Right? Yes, we can say the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla. Next question, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? The temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade. Therefore, the answer is no, it is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. This is the solution of question number 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.